The Ford Puma ST has been spied totally liberated from mask during chilly climate testing in Sweden. Obviously, it doesn't appear to be especially unique to the standard Puma fitted with the street line bundle. There are some unobtrusive contrasts, however, including a front lip spoiler, twin round fumes tips, rather a solitary outlet with a rectangular finisher, and dark wing mirror tops. The inside of this model highlights an intensely supported pair of Recaro situates in advance, just as a level base cowhide secured directing, and a 6-speed manual transmission. Under the hood we expect the Puma ST to have the Fiesta ST S 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-chamber petroleum motor. In the bring forth, the 3-pot creates 147 kilowatts and 290 Nm, and is snared to the front wheels by means of a 6-speed manual transmission.